Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. The Honorable Board of Examiners, the Honorable my thesis supervisor, Ms. Rahmi Ramadian Design, I would like to express my gratitude for the opportunity given to me. My name is Nadila Takia Salsabila and I'm student of Economic Department by student ID number 2310512020. Today, I am here to present my undergraduate thesis titled Analysis of Consumer Price Index in Padang City. Before starting my presentation, I am going to divide my presentation into some main parts. First is the introduction of the research. Second, talking about the methodology of the research. And third is talking about the result of the research. Last, I am going to close the presentation by explaining what the researchers has found based on the finding. And this is my presentation. Okay, first we are going to start with the introduction of the research. The Consumer Price Index or CPI is an index that calculates average change price of a group of goods and services consumed by household within a certain period of time. The Padang City CPI is one of indicator for calculating the CPI in West Sumatra province. The CPI is obtained from the result of processing consumer price data for 1 month. Data enumeration of consumer price in West Sumatra province include types of goods and services with qualities or brands that are generally widely consumed by people in the city of Padang. Next, changes in the CPI over time describe the rate of increase in price inflation or the rate of decline in price deflation of goods and services. Direct inflation affects the CPI by increase the overall price of goods and services. Meanwhile, deflation affects the CPI by causing a decrease in the index value. People use the consumer price index to plan their finances. If CPI rises, people might need to adjust their budget to take into account increase in price of goods and services. So that cover everything I want to say about analysis consumer price index in Padang City. Next, let's start with the methodology used in this research. This research was analyzed using a descriptive and quantitative approach, namely through presenting and compiling data into tables and also analyzed econometrical. The data collection method used is the use of secondary data analysis from BPS. The econometric analysis used to analyze the data is regression analysis to identification factor that influence that CPA or time series analysis to see trend over time. From this research, the results showed that the CPA in Padang City has increased. Okay, let's move on to my next topic, which tells about the result found in this research. The development of the CPA can represent the price level of a good or service purchased and consumed by the public. Based on this analysis, it can be said that the value of the consumer price index in the Padang City experienced fluctuation. In January 2019 to December 2021, Padang City Consumer Price Index tends to form a trend pattern. The Padang City Consumer Price Index in January 2021 was at 105.49 and in December 2021 it reached 106.82. This shows that the Padang City experienced an increase in the consumer price index of 1.33% during 2021. Next, uses of the consumer price index are: the consumer price index is used to measure the average price of goods and services purchased by consumers, including Indonesia uses this index to measure the rate of inflation. Okay, this is graph of inflation rate in the Padang City in 2021. This graph clearly shows that there is inflation in the Padang City. Inflation occurs due to an increase in price as indicated by increase in several expenditure group indices. The continuous increase in the CPI causes the price of goods to rise continuously inflation and also result in a decrease in the value of money general. The CPI, which tends to increase from time to time, is closely related to people purchasing power for goods and service. This must be taken into account because the increase in the GPA in Padang City will also cause the GPA in West Sumatra province to also increase. Because the measurement of the GPA in West Sumatra province is influenced by several cities, one of which is the GPA in Padang City. Last, I like to talk about conclusion of the research is, based on research, it shows that the GPA, which tend to increase from the time to time, is closely related to people purchasing power for goods and service. The continuous increase in the consumer price index results in the price of goods increasing continuously and also resulting in a general decline in the value of money. The consumer price index value shows the price level of goods and service so that this value also serves to indicate growth in income and price value which can be used as economic indicator and standard for the amount of production cost. So that brings me to the end of my presentation. And finally, that's all my presentation, and I am very grateful for the support you have provided. Thank you very much.